Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the very important topic of Java. Here we can see we are going to discuss about the Java joining features, and this joining feature is comes under your collectors, and we are going to apply it on top of your stream. We all know what is stream, what is the use of stream. So in this video we are going to see how joinings we can utilize on stream, right? And let me first show you what is the problem statement that we are going to discuss. Here you can see, let's say you are working for a cafe. Okay, so the restaurant is cafe restaurant. We are working for that cafe, and my job is very simple. I have to display the menu of the cafe, right? So that is my job. And the thing we are going to achieve over here is we are going to get rid of using manual loops, all the loops, and get all the elements one by one, then display. We are not going to use that. And manually you can see finalize your text, what you are going to display. All these things we are going to get it out of, right? Now let me show you how we are going to display the output of the menu. So if I take you scroll down to the page, and here you can see we are going to display actually the output in this way. So you can see the output, so how it is nicely looks. So how to achieve this throughout the code, we will be going to discuss this right now. So let me take you to the code directly. So here you can see we have written, this is the code you can see on the screen. Let me scroll down. Okay, now here you can see this is the code, only the code which is going to provide me that output. So here you can see I have first of all taken their record. You all know what is record. I have already discussed in my previous one of the video. So if you already not gone through that video, please go through that video. What is record, right? Now you can see I have a record class which is called menu item, and here it is taking the name and the price. So first of all I'm creating the entry of the menus into the record, and then I'm going to create, and I'm going to call a stream on that menu item. So this is the menu that which is holding the data of all the menu items of this cafe, right? Now after that, on that menu item I'm calling the stream. So I'm going to get all the streams data uh, by calling the stream. And on each and every stream data, what I want to perform, I want to transform them into a formatted string, right? So you all know what is formatted string. So just to format your output, how you are going to look like, right? So if I scroll down here, you can see. So I actually want to get for all the items over here, for all the items espresso 120, latte 150. So all this item, I want to print the data, the output like this way. So initially, this is my item I want to display, and after that I want to make sure that there is a alignment is properly showing, right? So I am taking a space there, you can see 15 is right. So this number of spaces I have taken over here. After that, what is the, this is another, you can see uh, another just representation, or you can say something cosmetic things, right? So that is something we are adding over here. And after that I'm just going to print the value, print the price of the item. So this is how, for that I've called this one. So m dot name is going to provide me the name of the item, and m dot price, which is going to represent, which is going to return me the price of the item, right? And after that I'm simply calling dot collect on top of the map, whatever it is done. Then I'm saying map dot collect, and then on collect, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply the joining, right? This joining method, what it is going to do, it is going to take all these elements on set the you can say list. It will take the elements and they join them, and this is the delimiter. How do you want to join each of the elements one by one? If you want, you can join them by spaces, you can join them by semicolon or whatever, you can join by underscore or hyphen. So this is nothing but I'm using as a delimiter for that element, for each and every element, or you can say for each and every item. So this is the output that we are going to get. I'll show you in the practical example. I'll take you to the code. So let me take you to the code and I'll show you. Let's say this is my cafe. Here I go. Yeah, this is my code. So first of all, I have the record over here. So this is the record, and this is the items that I have entry. I've done the entry, and then here, this is the something I'm calling the stream, and on top of stream I'm calling map function to polish my output. How I'm going to display the result to, right, in the screen. And after that I'm calling dot collect. Once I'm collect, I have the list of item. On each and every list of item, what I have to do, I have to join them simply by using slash n, and after that I'm simply printing the menu card over here, right? I hope you got it. Now let me run this code so you can see the output over here. See here, now you can see this is properly displaying me the output how we wanted to look onto this, right? So I hope you can get this how it is looks like, right? So we are not using any for loop, we are not using any you can see extra code, right, for this kind of output. So we are easily able to get this output by using the joining method and by just by formatting my output, like so. This is very simple, guys. So you can utilize this in your code, and this code is going to be very simple and readable, and you can see what is the benefit of this code. So you are going to very readable code, right? So let me show you. You can see it is very cleaner code, very cleaner, right? No manual loops we are using over here. It is easily formatable, right? Easy format. There is no, you can see, complexity of the format that we are using, and perfect for your reports, logs, menu. For this kind of things you can use this approach, right? Let us see one more example so that you can see how we can customize this print message. So let me go to one of the example. Let's say summary message. Here you can see how we are going to get the output of this print statement. So here one of the more thing that I was going to show you, that let's say in beside of displaying the menu card, this is the menu card, and I want to also display that which is the premium one and which are the best value for the customers, right? So that result is going to be very helpful for the customer to quick have a look the menu card that we are going to display, isn't it? So here are the topics. So the thing is we have to identify the price item, which is the maximum price and the minimum price, right? So that is the thing we are going to do here. Let me show you the code over here. So it is exactly as it is the same job. We have first created all the list of items, and on this menu card we are now first going to find out the average price, and then we are going to find out the maximum and minimum price, right? Now here you can see that we are going to find the premium price, coffee price, right? And here you know how to get the average price. First of all, we are converting that list of menu to a stream, and then we are saying on collect, and then we are grouping it by with the category, right, of the menu. So we have three kind of category over here. You can see the record class is containing the name of the item, what is the category of it, and the price, right? And this category we are going to, you can see, group the items into category. Let's see, I have a category. This is the category hot and cold, right? And these are my items: espresso, latte, and cold brew. And my category is like this. So based on category, I'm going to group the items, and then I'm going to calculate the average price. Right here you can see we're calculating the average price. So this is how we are going to calculate the average price for each and every item by using streams dot by using stream, right? Now here let me, this is how we got the category, and we are simply printing it average price by product category. And similarly we can find out which products are premium product and which product is your you can say very, you can say, the minimum price product, or you can say the go for, you can say, uh, go for product, right? Now let's say how to get the premium price data, right? So you can say premium coffee. Once again we are converting menu to stream, and then we're finding out the maximum price, right? So what we can do, we can use the comparator. and on that comparator we are using comparison comparing double, and on the copy price I want to get the maximum one, right? And then if there is no maximum, then we are saying or else throw, we are going to throw an exception, right? Similarly, we are going to find out the copy menus, and this is just to print the menus. You can ignore this for now. We have already seen this how to show you. And then later on we are going to find out the maximum and minimum price. So here you can see the maximum price of the from the menu items is how we are going to get. Again, once again we are using the stream, and on that stream we are saying map.toDouble, and we are going to first get all the prices, right? On all the prices we are going to find out the maximum value. If there is no maximum found, then we say we else we are going to return 0, right? So similarly, we are going to find out the minimum value. Here we have to say instead of maximum, we have to say minimum. Now let me show you how to print this, how to, you can say, customize my print. So to customize, to display the premium or the best value, we are going to use this, you can say, how we are going to print. We are using the for each element, for each copy we are saying say, and for each copy we are going to verify whether this copy price is the maximum price or not. If it is maximum, then we can decide that my tag is going to be this one, right? And if the price is equal to minimum, then I am deciding, I am defining my you can say tag as this one, best value, right? And then finally we are printing the element. We are printing each and every menu item. So here there are three parameters. So the first parameter, that is the item, c dot name. Second parameter, which is my price, so c dot price. And the third parameter, which is the tag that I'm going to pass. If there is for rest of the item which is not your maximum price and minimum price, for those cases my tag is going to be blank, right? Blank space. Now let me show you the output of this code. I am running this. Let me run it from here. So okay, so I'm going to run this code now. Now let me show you the output. Now here you can see we initially we printed the average price from the menu item. So this is printing us with their category. So for cold items we have the average price 160, and for the hot price, hot items, we have the, this is the average price, right? Similarly, we have find out that premium pick, which all the items are premium, that is your name and then category and what is the price, right? This is we have displayed. Similarly, this is the menu item that we have already seen in our previous example. So in this example, another one that is when we are displaying this menu card, when we are displaying this menu item, we are also printing that which is the best value item and which is the premium value item. So you can understand now we are able to achieve a complex task, complex job without using any, you can say the manual for loops or manual loops, or you can say if else conditions, right? All these things we are removing completely, and we are using the facility of Java Stream by using the joining function, right? So this is one of the very, you can say, useful code, and this code I'm going to share you the link in the YouTube description. You can check out my code link, so you can get it, you can see benefit of this. That's it for this guys video. Thank you so much for watching this video.